everyone and welcome back to my channel, Shelly's Millions. Today is my birthday, and last night during the unemployment California EDD live, someone asked me to make a birthday wish. And my birthday wish is truthfully for all of you that watch the channel that have pending unemployment claims to get paid. So I wanted to do a giveaway to try and help you at least make the call to get through to the EDD. So I'm going to do another Claimyr call giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is leave a comment on the video down below. I will be choosing 25 random winners this Thursday, July 8th. And if you're a winner, I will contact you to get your information. You know that I also want to encourage everyone to save your money and learn to invest your money. And Yada Savings Bank is also running a special promo today for my birthday. If you use my link in the description down below, instead of getting the usual 100 bonus raffle tickets for signing up, you're going to get 150 raffle tickets when you sign up for a Yada banking account. So I think that's pretty cool. And since I'm turning 44, they gave me 44 extra raffle tickets. Those raffle tickets give you a chance to win $10 million. So that's pretty cool. And my savings rate at Yada Savings Bank is better than any other bank around. So I genuinely like them. And I would love it if you just dropped me a happy birthday comment on this video down below. Or if you want to support the channel, you can watch any of my playlists, and that really helps me out. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a really great day. I'll see you next time.